All right, today I'm going to show you how to make a boiled egg. Right here, as you can see, I have an egg that has a tattoo. It says EB on it right here. I'm going to boil this egg, and I'm going to show you how. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to need a pot. As you can see, I have a pot with a lid right there. And of course, I'm going to need an egg. It doesn't need to be tattooed like this, but it does need to be an egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it in the pot right here. And then I'm going to fill it with water just above the egg lines. All right, so I'm going to pour water in here. All right, all the way up. It's getting close, getting close, getting close. Not quite above the egg level line. Once it's above the line, I'm going to take the pot and bring it over here to the stove. Oh, I forgot to turn the water off. Remember to turn the water off and then come back over here and turn on the stove. And I'm gonna boil it, bring it to a boil, all right? And then we're going to put the top on, all right? Once the water reaches a boil, I'm gonna turn the fire off and then place a top on here for 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer. All right, timer. I'm gonna set it for 12 minutes and start. All right, well that is cooking for the next 12 minutes. I'm going to make a bowl of ice water. So I'm just gonna put some ice inside of a bowl and then fill it up with water right here. All right, I'm making a bowl of ice water. Make sure it fills all the way up. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. Almost there. Make sure you put enough ice water in there. All right, but not too much because you don't want it to fill. And I'm just gonna set this down and wait for it to finish boiling. All right, after 12 minutes, I'm gonna remove the lid. There's the egg in there. So I'm gonna take some thongs and then I'm going to grab the egg, all right? And then I'm going to place it into the bath of cold water. And I'm gonna keep the egg in there for about 10 minutes. All right, after the egg is cooled, I'm gonna remove the egg. I was gonna do it by my hands, but the ice water is too cold, so I'm gonna use the thongs. And I'm going to get in here, get the egg. See the egg right there? Should be nice, cooled and done. And what I'm gonna do is take the egg, zoom in so you can see this a little bit, and just tap it along the sides, right here, gently, and then I'm going to peel the egg. All right, so see how nicely the egg is being peeled. All right, just gonna go around the sides of it like this. Right here, and I'm just gonna work my way around just like that. All right, and voila, get all the flakes of egg off just like this. Let me bite in here so you can see what it looks like. And that's how you make a boiled egg. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.